Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to become a network engineer. We will cover the essential steps to launch your career in this dynamic field. First, we will explore the fundamental roles and responsibilities of a network engineer, giving you a clear picture of what the job entails. Then, we will dive into the crucial skills and educational paths that will set you up for success. To excel, you need a solid grasp of networking fundamentals, including protocols like TCP over IP. Practical experience with hardware such as routers, switches, and firewalls is also vital. Many successful engineers hold a bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, or a related discipline, providing a strong theoretical foundation for their work. Industry certifications are crucial for validating your expertise. Consider pursuing credentials like the Cisco Certified Network Associate, or CCNA, or CompTIA Network Plus. Gaining real-world experience through internships or entry-level roles is equally important. Always stay current with emerging technologies and trends to remain competitive in this evolving field. As you progress, consider specializing in high-demand areas such as cybersecurity, cloud networking, or wireless technologies. Networking with other professionals and joining online communities can provide invaluable insights and opportunities. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers, as well as other great deals. Continuous learning and adapting to new innovations will ensure a long and successful career.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.